Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
PowerPoint change font size all slides. So here I'll be showing you to change the all font size right here. As you can see right here, here are the font size. It's all on, as you can see, Calibra. This one right here, Calibra. All of them is on Calibra. Calibre. Sorry for that. Calibre, guys. Now it's very so. The purpose of the video is because sometimes people is trying it's a little bit hard to change the font one by one, something like that. So here I'm going to show you the quickest way to change font. So here the quickest way to change the font here is by going to your view. After going to your view, click on slide master. After clicking on slide master, you'll be located right here to the slide master. So once you're here, you will now see here the background. You see background right there. You will see fonts. Click on them and then choose the font of which you like. As you can see right now, you can look right here. And once you've chosen the font that you like, let's say this one right here, I've chosen that, all of this will follow. So watch in 3, 2, 1, boop, there you go. All of them had followed. And a bonus tip for you guys here, you can also change the color or the themes of it also right here at slide master. Just click on themes, edit themes right here, then choose the theme that which you want. This will affect all of your slides here. So let's say this one, there you go, it affects all of your slides. So there you go, say this one right here, it will affect all of your slides. So there you go, guys, as you can see right now. So we're gonna put it right there, and you can also change the colors right here, and it will all affect all your slides there. So there you go, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions about how to change anything in your PowerPoint, or if you have any concerns about your PowerPoint, just type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.